Good morning, students. Anyone is there? Say any views. Good morning, Ayush. Okay, minutes. I'm going for joining some students. So, our today's topic is the first chapter, how our body works. Good morning, Arna. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. I'm starting. Let's join some students. Okay, get ready with your copy and pen. Add to in your school. Okay. Okay, I can see viewers. Okay. Last 10 minutes, I'll ask you questions. You can give me the answer or you can ask me any question if you have any doubt. Okay, last 10 minutes. Good morning, Siddharth. Last 10 minutes for your doubt clear. Okay, now I am starting. So, students, our first chapter is how our body works. This is the first chapter. You learned it already. Again, I am repeating this topic. Okay. So, we know we have organs. Organs means which particular things are functioning our physical work. So, we can divide our organs into two, external organs and internal organs. Okay, you can see head. In the head you can see eyes. Through our eyes we can see. Through our ears we can hear. Yes or no? Okay, through our nose we can smell and we can see these organs. Now you know we have tongue in our mouth. We can feel any taste of food or anything through our mouth. These are all internal, external organs because we can see these organs. You can see the hands and also the feet. You can see your hands and feet. These are all external organs. So, you just touch your hand. You are touching your skin. Skin is also sense organ. Skin is also an external organ. So, our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organ or sensory organs. We can divide the external organs like sensory organs and hands and feet. These are all organs. Now I am going for internal organ. Can you touch your heart? Can you touch your lungs? No. Why? Because they are protected in your body, inside your body. These are called internal organs. As these organs are protected inside your body, so they are called internal organs. So, example of internal organs: heart, lungs, stomach, etc. Now I am coming for organ system. A group of different organs that work together to do one task. Means, suppose I am telling you our digestive system. So, you know it. Our digestive system is consisting of mouth, then stomach, then intestine, liver, etc. etc. Mouth is also, tongue is also an organ. Okay. Stomach is also one organ. Intestine also one organ. So all the organs are functioning together to form the digestive system. So we can see some organ system like skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. Skeletal system means gives shape and support to our body. These are organ system. What is organ system? Again I am repeating. A group of different organs that work together to do one or more tasks. Tasks means function is called organ system. Skeletal system. In our skeletal system, you can see the rib cage, you can see the girdle region, you can see the joint region. So all these things are occurring together to form the skeletal system. Now muscular system helps in movement of our body, our muscles, our hands muscles, our foot muscle, our thoracic muscles are all helping for our movement. I am coming for the digestive system. Next part, respiratory system. In the respiratory system, we can see our nose is functioning here. Nose is playing role. This is also an organ we have seen just now. This is external organ, and one is internal organ, that is our lungs. We can't see from outside our lungs. This is a internal organ, not external organ. So these 2 or 3 organs are composing our respiratory system. So these organs are functioning together to form one task, that is breathing. So this is respiratory system. Now circulatory system. You can see our blood vessels and blood, heart, all things are functioning together to form digestive system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system means supplies blood to all parts of the body. Respiratory system means helps in the process of respiration, means breathing. Excretory system means kidney is working here, blood is working here. Excretory system means removes waste products from the body. Our excretory system removes waste products from our body. Nervous system means here our brain is working, here our sensory organs are working. You can hear anything, you can smell anything, you can touch anything, you can taste any food. Why? Because your brain is telling this is sweet, your brain is telling this is ma'am, your brain is telling this is your mother. How you can know? By your brain, and also by your ears, by your eyes, because you can see them, because you can hear them, because you can taste them, because you can touch them through your skin. When you are touching any hot thing, your skin is informing your brain that I have touched this, and your brain is telling yes, this is hot. So you are taking your hand from this hot thing. So all these things are functioning together. Sensory organs and brains are functioning. Your brain is functioning together to form your nervous system. So what is nervous system? Controls all the activities of the body. Your nervous system means controls all the activities of the body. Is it clear to you? Okay. These organs cannot work alone. Our stomach cannot work alone. Our brain cannot work alone. Our heart cannot work alone. Many organs work together to perform different tasks. Our heart is doing different tasks. Our brain is doing different tasks. Our lung is doing different tasks. The function of lungs and heart is not same. You know it. Function of eyes and ears are not same. You know it. So a group of different organs, is it clear now? A group of different organs that work together to do one or more tasks is called an organ system. For example, our body uses organs such as the mouth, stomach, intestines and liver to digest the food we eat. These organs are a part of organ system is called digestive system. Now I am coming for digestive system. At first, we have to know what is digestion. We know the part of the digestive system: mouth, stomach, liver and intestine. Okay. All of you have your book? Yes, in the PDF format. Okay, print it out, or in the PDF you just go through thoroughly your book. Now I am giving the slide. What is digestion? The process of breaking down of food into simpler form. You are eating rice in your intestine. This rice is not that form. It becomes simpler form. Means it will break down in your stomach. It will, you are eating fish. The fish totally will break down in your stomach, in your intestine. When you vomit, you are vomiting the rice, the fish. No. The simpler digested form, the indigestion, for indigestion you are doing vomiting. You can't see any rice, any fish, any mutton, any chicken in that portion. You just have the liquid portion in your if you are vomiting, then you are vomiting a liquid portion, almost liquid. Means this is half digested material. This is half digested food. Okay. So what is digestion? The process of breaking down of food into a simpler form. That is called digestion. So parts of digestive system. First one is mouth and the food pipe. Okay. Just 1 minute. The energy stored in food cannot be used by our body until the food is broken down to a very simpler form. Until the food is broken down, we can't use the food to get our energy. We are getting energy from our food. I am talking. From where I am getting my energy? From food. The process of breaking down of food into a simpler form so that the body can use it. The body can absorb it easily or use it easily is called digestion. The groups of organs that work together to digest food form the digestive system. The organs of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, pancreas, liver and large intestine. Okay. First one is mouth and the food pipe. Here I have written very easily. You have liquid in your mouth for which you are talking, for which if you are taking any food in your mouth, that is just mixing with the saliva, that is just mixing with that liquid, and you can easily chew the food, you can easily taste the food for the saliva. So liquid produced in the mouth is called saliva. Can you remember it? What is the name of that liquid? That is saliva. Next, tongue. What is the function of the tongue? Tongue helps to mix. So now you are taking your food. So now you have to mix the saliva with the food. Yes or no? Because you have to soften the food. You have to break the food through your teeth. So tongue helps to mix the food with the saliva and soften it. Next, what we can see, that is, it makes saliva mix or mixing with the saliva makes it easily for the teeth to chew the food. Saliva helps to break down the starch present in the food. What is the function of the saliva? Saliva helps to break down the starch present in the food. Okay. So, food is going from the mouth to the food pipe. Food is going from the mouth to the food pipe. Here you can see the food pipe. Food is going from the mouth to the food pipe. Here this is the food pipe. Now the food is coming to the stomach. Where is our stomach? This is our stomach. Okay. The food is coming from the food pipe to the stomach. Is it clear to you? Okay. What is the function of the stomach? Now we can see. Food. Now stomach has strong muscles. Yes, stomach has strong muscles which churn the food, which almost break the food, okay, into smaller pieces. Stomach muscles churning the food into smaller pieces. This is the stomach muscles which churning the food into smaller pieces. Now, digestive juices help to break the food into simpler forms. In the stomach, you can have the digestive juices also, which helps the breakdown of the food into simpler form. In the stomach also, food breakdown is occurring. Now, small intestine. Where our small intestine? Just have a look. This is our small intestine. This is our small intestine. And from the stomach it is coming. This is our, see, just from the stomach it is coming. This is our small intestine. What is the function of the small intestine? From the stomach, food is coming to the small intestine. Food mixes with the digestive juices of small intestine, liver and pancreas. Here, just see, this is the pancreas. Here one organ is present, that is called pancreas, and this is the liver, and they are friends. Yes, they are friends. From the liver and the pancreas, the juice is coming to the small intestine. Here also present different juices. So digestive juices from the small intestine, pancreas and liver are mixing in the small intestine. Food mixes with the digestive juices of small intestine, liver and pancreas. This is clear, and become ready to digest. Now this food is ready for digestion. Next, digested food absorbed by blood vessels. So in the small intestine, what is happening? Blood vessels are present in the wall of the small intestine. Is it clear? Blood vessels are present in the wall of the small intestine, and blood vessels are taking the food, absorbed. The food is absorbed by the blood vessels and going to the liver. Again the food is going to the liver. The food is going to the liver. From the small intestine, the digested food is going to the liver. What is happening in the liver? In the liver removes the harmful chemicals from the absorbed food. Harmful chemicals are absorbed by the liver. Either eating any, by chance, a little amount of phenyl, what will happen? Nothing will happen, because sometimes what is happening here, a little amount, very little amount germ is present in your food, what will happen there? Liver removes the harmful chemicals from the absorption, but not higher amount. Which is because germs are not the food, phenyl is not the food. But by chance, any mosquito just is in your food, what you have eaten it by chance, what will happen? Nothing. Just indigestion will happen, and liver will remove the harmful chemicals from the absorbed food. Now from the liver, the digested part will taken by the blood and it will go to the parts of the body. Okay, and also blood vessels absorb the digested food. Again the food is going to the liver, harmful chemicals are taken from the liver, and then the rest useful part of the food is taken by the blood to the all parts of the body. Now the food is coming to the large intestine. From the small intestine, the undigested food. Digested food is absorbed by the blood vessels of the small intestine, blood vessels by the liver also, and now it is coming small intestine. Undigested food is, it absorbs water. In the large intestine, what is happening? It absorbs water, and left behind is solid waste. After absorbing the water, which is left behind, that is solid waste. It will go outside from the body through the anus. Which one is anus? This one is anus, the opening of the body. The opening of the body is called anus. This is rectum, this is large intestine. It is coming through the undigested food is coming outside through the anus. Okay. So students, this is all for today's class, because today we just discussed the organ system and the digestive system. Okay, the digestion. Okay, next day we will learn tips of digestion and rest part of the book or the chapter. Okay, now you can ask me question if you have any doubt. Okay, who can't see clearly? Maybe it's for network problem, I think. Students, you can ask me if you have any doubt. So this is clear. What is digestive system, students? Tips for digestion, I am telling you. To stay healthy, our body should be able to digest the food well. We can help our body to digest food better. How digestion will be better? Eating our meals at fixed time. You should fix your eating time. Chewing our food well before swallowing. We should chew the food before swallowing. Including fiber in our diet. In our diet, fiber, roughage means, okay, I have to explain the pancreas part again. Okay, let's finish these 3 points. Including fiber means when we are taking wheat, in the roti, roughage is there. In the ripe mango or ripe papaya, roughage is there. So including fiber in our diet, this helps our bowel system. So limiting foods that's are high in fat. Which food contains fat, just limit it, like chips. Okay, drinking plenty of water. You should drink plenty of water. Avoiding overeating. Don't do overeating. Doing exercise regularly. This is very important part. Doing exercise regularly. Again, okay, I am explaining pancreas part. Nothing is there. You are in class 4, so nothing is there. Pancreas is just this, here a small organ is present. This is called pancreas. You see the leveling also, pancreas. Okay. So in the pancreas you have digestive juices, and pancreas is sending the digestive juice to the small intestine. In the pancreas, food is not going in the pancreas. Okay, food can't go in the pancreas. Food can go in the liver. Harmful chemicals can go in the liver. Food, some part of the food is going going to the liver for cleaning harmful chemicals, but food can't go in the pancreas. So pancreatic juice is coming in the small intestine. From the liver, juice is coming in the small intestine. You can see the green part, that is gallbladder. From here also juice is coming to the small intestine. Is it clear? In the small intestine all the juices are mixing and digestion occur. You get my point? Okay, Orna, you got my point? Okay. So we learned the tips of digestion. Doing exercise regularly. You have to do exercise regularly. Avoiding overeating. Drinking plenty of water. This is also very important. Very good. This is also very important. Drinking plenty of water. Limiting foods that's are high in fat. So don't eat any packet food like chips, kurkure. Don't do this. And also the fried things. In these things fat are very high. Including fiber in our diet. In our diet we should give fiber product, or fibery diet we should take. Eating our meals at fixed time. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Thank you.